Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add language tracks on your YouTube videos. So the first thing we do is open up our browser. So we're going with Chrome now. Then on the address bar, we go to youtube.com. Then once in the YouTube page, what we do is go to the top right corner and click on our profile. Then click on YouTube Studio. Then once on the YouTube Studio page, we go to the left side and click on Content. And here is our video. We click on our video. Then on the video editing page, what we'll find is if we scroll down, we will click on the option that says subtitles. Then on subtitles, as you can see that English is the automatic caption is being generated. We click on add language. So we click the language that we want to add. I'm going to choose French for this example. Then next to the language, we'll find a subtitles column. We'll click there to open up subtitles. Then what we can do next is upload an SRT file, or we can type it manually. I'm going to upload a file, so I'm going to click here and click with timing and click continue. Then we select the file that we want to upload. Here's the file. Click open. Some errors may be found. Just click allow errors and continue. And here, as you can see, the subtitle has been added. To save it, what we do is click on publish. And after clicking publish, we can see that the subtitles have been added for the French language. Additionally, YouTube is introducing the feature of uploading multi-language audio tracks. It's not available in my channel at the moment. You have to be eligible for it. But if you're eligible, you can upload audio in a similar manner. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.